drummers, how's it going? It's Alex once again, bringing you some more fun-free drumming ideas. Thanks for everyone that watched the last video and gave me some feedback. There was definitely way too much reverb, so we've taken it down by about 20%, 30%, so we'll see what it sounds like at the end of this one. The drums still sound nice, they just sound like they're in a cave somewhere. But we found like a little bit more time to film another drum fill. It's going to sort of go in the sort of Tasteful lick series. Although this one's slightly less tasteful, we've got some hertzes in there, we're going to blast some 30-second notes. I'll give you like some options for your endings, because you can either sort of like keep it like 16 notes, blah, do, do, or we can really, just rip out some extra notes. It's rather gratuitously, but it's going to be a lot of fun. We've got some hertzes in there, we've got some left hands hitting the hi-hat, open hi-hats with a kick. I'll show you what I mean, we've probably seen the intro. That can be a little bit tricky, so we'll focus on that, and that's kind of like the sort of primary reason why we're doing this, just to sort of like start building that relationship between the the left hand and the right foot with the open hi-hat. So we get all four limbs doing a little bit of everything in this sort of slightly over the top, yet tasteful drum fill. So if you did like what you saw in the intro and you want to give it a crack, stick around and I'll break it down. Here we go. Alright, so I think the best way to go about this is to concentrate on explaining the sticking rather than the counting. Once you've got the sticking down, you can sort of feel free to experiment and do whatever you want with it. But if you want the sort of like the notation for it, there'll be a link to the sheet music which you can download and print off for free. So what I would do, if we go through like these little chunks, the first chunk we want to get down would sound like this. And we're essentially going to play that twice, minus that first hit that we play. So we do a big snare right at the beginning, which I'm going to use my left hand for. Then I'm going to play right, left on the hi-hat with a kick. And then as I close the hi-hat, we're going to hit that snare drum with the right hand. So really slowly. Getting that clean contact with the left hand and the right foot, close, is the hard part of this, I find anyway, because sometimes they're going to be slightly offset from each other. So always trying to concentrate on making sure you get that clean contact, bang at the same time. Always tricky with the left hand and the right foot. One more time. So we've got left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. Obviously stick a kick on that sort of second to last left. Now once we've got to there, we're going to play a couple more of these just to sort of really hammer that point home. I've been sort of using this just to practice getting that nice coordination down between this limb and this limb, because the opposites tend to not work quite as well. Right foot and right hand, great. Left foot, left hand, pretty good as well. Left hand, right foot, not as good. So this is a great little fill to practice that, but also sounds really, pretty sick at the same time. So from the top. So we're going to get 3 more of those. And from that snare drum there, we're actually going to launch into kind of whatever we want. Let's just play that little bit up to speed. Cool, don't forget, snap that left foot down nice and tight. For some reason, I haven't quite got this set up as well as I should do, so it's not responding the same way an actual set of hi-hats would. But it's much easier for me to get down here and practice and play and record on here than it is to travel at the moment with a 3-month-old son that hates sleep. He loves pooing, hates sleep. Anyway, I digress. Let's play one more time. Right, now from that snare drum I just played there, we can play. That sounds quite nice. We could go into, so that would be, I quite like that, although because we've got the hertzes in there, therefore we've got some 30-second notes going on, sometimes it's fun just to blast out like 8 in a row, so we could either do 4 and 4, we can go 4, round the kick, 6, forgot how to count to 6 then, so that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, bosh. Basically 8 notes with your hands wherever you want to go. That would sound like. That works. so that's with the 30-second notes, or just think 8 fast notes at the end. So if we go through nice and slow, snare, I can't talk and play at the same time. So we've got left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, crash. Or wherever you want to put those 8 notes. Quite like that one, that one's quite good. It's going to be a thing with these. I just always instinctively grab the cymbals when I'm teaching. So they're sort of like the main thing is like all the buttons will beat 4. We're playing the same thing every time, and it's getting that left hand and right foot to work together. Left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Whatever you want to do. Whether it's 1, 2, 3, 4, so just 4 16ths, 16th note triplets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 30-second notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bang! As long as you can sort of come up with a nice fun ending to that, just concentrate on trying to get that bzz-da, bzz-da, bzz-da going on, especially with that little, after the hurter, da-da-da-dum, bzz-da, da-da-dum, bzz-da. And I think I sort of nicked this idea off of Eric Moore. It sounds quite Eric Moore-y, especially the first part. The rest of it doesn't, but the first half certainly does. So you've got to nick those little tiny bits you like from other drummers, steal them, and then palm them off as your own. So with that, what we'll do is we'll set up the camera from a slightly different angle. I'm going to try a more flattering one than I did last time. And then we'll come and say goodbye. So here we go. Nice and slow. Bit faster. Nice and fast. There it is. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Thank you very much for watching. A real fun one to play. Like I said, stole this one off of Eric Moore, at least some of the ideas anyway, getting some of those hi-hats involved and some hurters coming off the toms. Obviously he's got a much bigger kit, so he was just he sort of moves it around a tiny bit more. But the sticking is the same, and so, you know, when you start applying it to your own kit, it becomes your own thing anyway. If you want the sheet music for this lesson, there's a link down below. You can download that, print it off, do whatever you want for it, that's all free. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you did like the video, give it a like. If you've got any more comments about the sound, please chuck those on there. I'll be interested to hear what you've got to say. I know it's not, you know, people prefer an acoustic kit. Don't get me wrong, I prefer playing an acoustic kit as well. It's just, I've got to do what I've got to do to keep playing drums as much as I can, and this is the solution to doing that. So anyway, I'm waffling on. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Keep on drumming, and I'll see you soon with some more fun free joy ideas. Alright, see you later. Bye.